Embrace the new digital frontier with NFTs. A revolutionary way to own, trade, and authenticate unique digital assets, opening up a realm of limitless possibilities. What is non-fungible tokens or NFTs? NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are a type of digital asset that may be owned and traded. Assume you have a baseball card that is one of a kind, because it bears the autograph of a particular player. That autograph card is similar to an NFT. It's unique and distinct from other baseball cards. NFTs operate on a unique technology known as blockchain. Blockchain is similar to a computerized ledger that records who owns what. It's safe and unchangeable, making it ideal for maintaining records. You can own digital items, such as artwork, films, music, or even virtual land in a video game. With NFTs, the NFT validates your ownership of that specific digital object. It's similar to having a digital certificate of authenticity. What's intriguing is that NFTs, like tangible goods, may be bought and traded. Artists, musicians, and creators can create and sell NFTs of their work online. When a person purchases an NFT, they become the official owner. They can display it, keep it as an investment, or sell it to another person. NFTs have grown in popularity because they provide creators with a new option to sell and distribute their work. It also enables consumers to gather and possess one-of-a-kind digital objects. It's similar to collecting trading cards, except for digital items. Remember that not everything on the internet is a pyramid scheme. Only specific digital goods have been converted into NFTs and recorded on the blockchain. It's an intriguing new way to think about digital ownership and trading. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.